bago tayo dito lang
dalawa yun. Lima ko yan. Ayun yung dati. Kaya hindi nagbabago. Meron pala akong orasan nung Manila.
Nakasit yung sa'yo sa Google.
Double time to eh.
Sitting time mo.
Double clock ako yan.
Double clock kaya nagbago. Asia. British Airways.
Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The local time is 8:24 in the morning, and the date today is December 3, 2025. The ground temperature is 26 degrees Celsius, or approximately 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Passengers must remain seated and await instructions for the planing. We shall commence the planing as soon as we receive clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precautions.